Oh boy, that escalated. So, welcome to this evening's update video on the hurry of Hurricane Dolores. So off the coast of Mexico continues rapidly clearing Illinois, and obviously this hurricane's escalated considerably over the past several hours. And right now it's at around 75 knots at around the 15Z package, and also 75 knots at around the 21Z single time package. But it may have actually been 80, because I think the ice started to clear out. We started to see a much better organized side presentation. Really started around right before zeros, right before midnight Zulu time, when we really started seeing how I'm trying to form. So this second is originally a little bit asymmetrical, but that's changed over the past hours. You can see a very organized CEO. That I think the storm has potentially become quite beautiful as I speak. But the deepest convection storm is still in the process of wrapping around. The eye is also clearing out quite a bit, and it's the latest energy advisory gives us an intensity of 95 knots. You can see it was inheriting some dry air earlier that I also noticed on the microwave imagery, but it's mixed out as a really nice and I don't see any signs of any dry air, at least on the upper level of the atmosphere. I'd say it's unlikely to inherit dry air from the surface just because now it's moved away from the Mexican coast now more out into the open waters, and it's currently passing a little bit north of the Coral Islands, so it's pretty north for a major hurricane in the Eastern Pacific. But sea surface temperatures in this region are well above normal and are supporting for a very potent catchway for a hurricane. Right now the storm is probably around 100 knots, I'd say now, but he tied me to a stroller and forced me to issue an estimate. And the CMS ADTs are circa right now, because now you're starting to see the you're starting to see the cold medium gray 75C cloud top starting to wrap around. This can get really thick. I think at least mid-gray catchway for hurricanes attainable. Sea surface temperatures in this part of the world will be gradually cool. The storm still has about 24, maybe 36 more hours to intensify before conditions become a little bit less favorable. Sea surface temperatures will decrease, because right now it's very close to Sherman, or around 3 to 7 knots. You can see overall it's a pretty well organized hurricane, though the convection needs to continue to wrap around. The storm's going to intensify further. Sab I would have given something around a 5 at 3Z and a 5.0 at 0Z, but Sab gave it a 5.5. But I also had to round down to a 5.0 due to constraints, because they gave it a 4.0 at 18Z. So, hence I was the main argument for the energy estimate of 90 knots. And you can see the CMS ADT values, they've skyrocketed now. It was on microwave seen earlier. Now it's accelerated a bit, now it's at 6.8, because the eyes cloud tops are really cool, and that would favor a potentially upland catchway for a hurricane on the Dolores scale. And then the next stage is seeing how warm this eye can get. I can hit one medium gray status tonight. Overall, this is a pretty potent hurricane we have. So hurricanes continue to come back organized, though. The upper level alpha is generally expanding and generally doing pretty good. Though maybe just ever so slightly restricted off to the northeast. Maybe another dry side coming. But I don't think as long as it stays out of its core, the system should remain a potent hurricane as it tries to come more symmetrical, and it appears to already be doing so. And once the system gets some quite thick convection, I think 125, maybe 130 knots is possible. If not, I'm thinking more of a peak of 115, 110, 120. Energy only brings us to 110 knots. But that's conservative. Probably around 100 knots, as I said. It's good. And yes, I've dropped the storm. Okay, I'll get to that right in just one sec. Okay. You can see it started to strengthen overnight as it encountered some warmer waters and allowed for some strength to occur. The energy is getting winds around 45 knots, and I estimate it appears to be reasonable. Some nice banding features it has. The dry air may be limiting surface mixing, so I'd say its estimates are about 7. But an A-scan pass confirmed 40 knot winds several hours ago, so it probably might have peaked at around 45 or 50 knots. It's still kind of better organized, so we'll see. But lucky storm kind of develops like that really well eye-like structure. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens with Enrique. Enrique's a nice little assist, even Dolores is follow the sound. Back to Dolores for a second. It's amazing how quickly these things can escalate. These circuits become pretty well organized. I wasn't sure earlier when I looked at it how strong it was to become. Boy, the cloud tops cooled pretty quickly, and boy, the ice out of nowhere started to clear out. Yeah, just looking just very mad. And the cloud tops are looking pretty mad. Anyhow, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.